Welcome back to the School Uni Guide YouTube channel. Today we have an insightful video for you as we dive into SOP writing using ChatGPT. Many students want to use ChatGPT to make their personal statements better, but just typing "make it better" won't work. In this video, I'll explain why and how to use ChatGPT the right way. Imagine a student asking ChatGPT to fix their statement, but when ChatGPT rewrites it, it loses all of the student's personality. It becomes dull and generic. Instead of just telling ChatGPT to fix everything, ask it to point out mistakes and explain why they're wrong. This way, you'll learn as you go and keep control over your statement. Look at some mistakes ChatGPT made in a sample statement. By understanding and fixing these errors, you'll improve your writing skills. ChatGPT might not understand your style or crush your creativity. It's important to balance its suggestions with your own voice.
Don't rely on ChatGPT to do all the work. By actively working with it, you'll improve your writing and make your statement of purpose stand out.
ChatGPT is a helpful tool, but it's not a magic fix. By using it wisely, you'll become a better writer and create a strong personal statement. Let's use technology to become better at what we do. Visit schooluniguide.com to search, compare, and get advice for all your educational needs, including schools, universities, and courses across the globe. Visit schooluniguide.com now.